We say that there is an equality relationship when two numbers or expressions represent the same amount, and we write it with this symbol. For example, 5 is equal to 5. Here, there is an equality relationship, but it could also be, for example, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Or we could even write something like this. The square root of 36 is equal to 6. In equality relationships, we can have numbers, but we can also have letters that represent variables or unknowns. In this case, for example, we could write x plus 8 equals 15. Or we could write 3x plus x equals 4x. In all these cases, do we have equality relationships then? Here, something that's important to highlight is that this symbol we have here is representing me. Remember that what's on one side of the equality is worth the same as what's on the other side of the equality. So, having said that, what would happen if we had, for example, something like this? Is 3 plus 8 equal to 15? In this case, as you can see, what's on the left side of the equation is not the same as what's on the right side of the equation. Why is this symbol there, since it's not correct, right? Should we use a different symbol? Well, the symbol we're going to use is very similar, but we're just going to write it like this. And I'm going to read this as follows. 3 plus 8 is not equal to 15. Let's see. Let's go with another example. Let's suppose that on the left side we have 2 plus 3, and this is squared. We put the equals sign, and on this side we're going to put a 10. I ask you, does what's on the left side of the equation have the same value as what's on the right side? Well, the answer is no, right? So again, we can't use this symbol. What we have to do is write it this way, right? So we can read it as 2 plus 3 squared is not equal to 10. And to help you reinforce this last part, I'm going to ask you to solve these 5 exercises, which are quite simple. All you have to do is put the correct symbol inside each of the boxes. For example, if I think that what I have on this side is equal to what I have on this side, then I'm going to put an equal sign. But if I think they're not equal, then I'm going to put this other symbol, right? So, please, solve them. And once you have the answer, wait just a little bit, because I'm also going to show you the solution. So, here we go. I'll move a little over here, and I'll show you the solution in 5, 4. So go ahead, pause the video and do them. 3, 2, 1, and time. You should have gotten exactly this in the first one. We have that yes, it's equal here. Here it's not equal. Here it's not equal. Here it is equal. And also over here it's equal. Let me know in the comments if you got it right. If you have any questions about why this and this are not equal, then please go to the description of this video, because there I put the links for each of these equalities. Well, more than just the links to the equalities. I put the topics there so you can see why. In fact, this and this are not equal, or why this and this are not equal. I included everything so you can see the details, since you're often already progressing with the topics. But if you need to go back a little more so you can understand everything in detail, well, that's it for today. I hope the video was helpful for you, but most of all, that you liked it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. And also, I recommend you watch this entire playlist, since here, I'm putting the whole Mathematical Thinking 2 course for high school. See you next time. Take care. Bye.